हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम बैक विद अनदर स्टोरी। एक्चुअली ये स्टोरी नहीं है, ये सच्ची घटना है। ये तब की बात है जब मैं स्कूल में पढ़ती थी एंड आई वॉज ऑल्सो अ टीनेजर लाइक ऑल द अदर स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स। और माई चाची वॉज डूइंग अ कोर्स टू बी अ ब्यूटिशियन। अब इसके प्लस पॉइंट्स क्या थे, वो घर आके इसके सारे हेयर स्टाइल मेरे पे ट्राई करती थी। आई डिड नॉट हैव वेरी लॉन्ग हेयर एट दैट टाइम and I would get those mushroom cuts and all those cuts which are prevalent and which she would learn. And I would go to school and everybody found me very stylish. At least I felt that I am looking stylish, and I used to get a lot of compliments from them. Then what happened one day, उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर एक हेयर स्टाइल ट्राई किया। जो लोग मेरी एज के हैं उनको पता होगा या मेरे से बड़े हैं, और जो छोटे हैं वो गूगल कर लें। एक मूवी आई थी खून भरी मांग, उसमें द रेखा का जो ग्लैमरस वाला पार्ट था, उसमें शी हैड दिस सम दैट टाइम इट वाज न्यू दिस ब्लंट एंड लॉट ऑफ flings here, a different hairstyle which looked very glamorous. So she gave that cut to me और मैं स्कूल गई and everybody really appreciated the hairstyle and I felt very nice and glamorous. Comes Sunday and then comes Monday. What do I see on Monday? 4-5 girls in the school have gotten the same hairstyle. मेरे को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा, लाइक अभी तो मेरा यूनिक हेयर स्टाइल था एंड एवरीबडी वॉज अप्रिशिएटिंग, एंड दो इट वॉज कॉपीड फ्रॉम अ मूवी स्टार इनिशियली ऑल्सो. सो आई कम होम एंड आई टेल माई मदर कि सब ने मेरा हेयर स्टाइल कॉपी कर लिया. अब सो मैंने कितनी सारी लड़कियों ने सेम हेयर कट करा लिया. So now they are also getting the same appreciation. So my mother told, उनको तुम्हारा look अच्छा लगा होगा ना, they also want to be like you, that's why they have done the same hairstyle. वो बात मेरी को समझ आई, मैंने कहा हाँ ये तो ठीक है. And then few people also got reference from me from where you got the hairstyle done. Come back today. Today I am in training profession and lot of people ask me where I got this done from, what do I do. I train the trainers also. So basically I teach them to do what I do, and that I cannot hold back. I have to give my 101%. Then how can I, otherwise how can I train to be somebody else to be a trainer? And this is what I have learned from people who have trained me also. Initially in fact मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता था, ये मैम कैसे सब कुछ बता दे रही हैं, because all the teachers I also know are practicing image consultants and soft skills trainer. But everybody has a unique style, and believe you me, that is the only uniqueness you have, your authenticity, your presentation, your connect. Nobody can take that away from you. Everything else in this open world of Google, internet, screenshots, PPTs, everything can be copied. Your presentation, your ad, your hairstyle, your makeup, your clothing style, even your delivery style can be copied. What cannot be copied is you. So there could only be just one Monica. There cannot be anybody else who is Monica. And so वही सच है मेरे बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में भी, और मेरे बाकी ट्रेनर्स के बारे में भी, और बाकी मेरे फ्रेंड्स इन ट्रेनिंग इंडस्ट्री के बारे में. So if I am able to inspire even one person to do what I am doing, I feel like a leader and I feel happy. And isn't that the purpose of being a coach, a mentor, to inspire people? So that is what I have to say today, कि बचपन की एक कहानी जो एक genuine human emotion है, वो आज भी वो सीख कितनी relevant है. But the thing is, when people copy you, they are just getting inspired by you. And they want to be like you. So let them be. That is such a greatest compliment anybody can give you. And there is enough fish in the market for everyone. If you work from that mindset, it will always be an attitude of abundance. With that, I wind up my story today. Stay blessed, stay secure. Nobody can copy just one thing, and that is your authenticity. Yourself, your style that you bring to the table. Everything else is available on Google. So just be happy, keep sharing, be safe, be secure, because there's only just one you.